So do you also wish to generate the course outlines from the learning objectives automatically using an AI? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to create course outlines from learning objectives using AI agent. So as an online professor, my objective is that whenever I'm going to add a new details in my Google Sheets, then automatically using the details, OpenAI should generate the course outlines. And after generating the outlines, automatically that should be created as a new document in my Google Docs. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my Google Sheets with OpenAI and Google Docs using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically create a structured course outline from your learning objectives using an AI agent. It's a great way to save time and deliver a more engaging learning experience. Alright, so as you all know that as an online course creator, I often start with a list of learning objectives but struggle to turn them into a well-structured course outline. So now doing it manually takes a lot of time and sometimes I miss important flow or structure. So by using an AI agent to automatically create course outlines from my learning objectives, I can save hours of work and ensure my course is clear, organized and engaging. This helps me focus more on content creation and less on planning while still delivering a high quality learning experience to my students. Alright, so here on my screen you can see the Google Sheet that I've created with the name course outline, and these are the fields that I've added over here. So now here my objective is, as soon as I'm going to add a new detail over here in my Google Sheets, then automatically using the details, OpenAI should generate the course outline. And after generating the course outline, automatically that should be added as a new document in my Google Docs account like this. Alright, so now here I've already built an automation where I've connected my Google Sheets with my Open account and Google Docs using an automation software. And now firstly in this video, we are going to see the working of this amazing automation to understand the entire process more clearly. Alright, so here to see the working of this automation, let me add a new detail over here in my Google Sheet. And here you can see I have successfully added a new detail over here such as the course title, target audience, course level and the learning objectives. And now after adding the details over here in my Google Sheets, let's go and check our Google Docs. I'm going to move back. And here you can see we have successfully created a new document over here with the title as Introduction to Personal Finance, and this is the entire course outline generated by OpenAI. Alright, so with this we have successfully seen the working of this amazing automation. And now here in this video we are going to learn step by step that how you can build this automation by simply connecting your Google Sheets with your OpenAI account and Google Docs using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So here to access the Pabbly Connect, you have to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. So here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, here I'm going to click on this Create Workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this Create Workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as Create Course Outlines from Learning Objectives using AI Agent. And now here to giving a name to my workflow, it is asking me to select the folder. So in the left side corner of this dashboard, you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this Learn More hyperlink given over here. And it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now let's move back to our Pabbly's dashboard. And here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this Create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. A trigger says when this happens, and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Google Sheets, as I am adding new detail in Google Sheets. So Google Sheets is a free web-based spreadsheet program that allows you to create, edit and share spreadsheets online. So in my Google Sheets trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new or updated spreadsheet row, so that when I'm going to add a new detail in my Google Sheets, then automatically and instantly Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response, or you can say automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. Alright, so now after selecting my trigger event, you can see I've received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. So following the instructions in below, firstly I'm going to copy this webhook URL, and here I've already logged in my Google Sheets. So this is my Google Sheet that I've created with the name course outline, and these are the fields that I've added over here. So now here I'm going to connect this Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect in order to capture the response in Pabbly Connect. But here before moving forward with the connection, firstly I'm going to add a new detail in my Google Sheets. So let me add the details. Alright, so here I've successfully added a new detail over here, and now here after entering the detail, I'm going to connect my Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. So here in order to build this connection, you need to install an add-on in your Google Sheets account first, and for that you need to click on this extensions, and from here you need to select add-ons. Now here in this add-on you need to select get add-ons. And then here in this Google Workspace Marketplace, you have to search for an add-on, that is Pabbly Connect Webhooks. And then you need to install this particular add-on on your Google Sheets account in order to connect your Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. So here you can see it is already installed in my Google Sheets account. So moving back, and once you're going to install this particular add-on, you need to follow exactly the same steps. Alright, so now after installing this add-on, you need to refresh your Google Sheets, and that's a necessary step. Okay, so now after refreshing the Google Sheets, you need to click on this extensions, and from here you will be able to see the option of Pabbly Connect Webhooks. So from here you need to select initial setup. And here in the initial setup, you can see it is asking me to enter the webhook URL and the trigger column. So for the webhook URL, I'm going to enter the webhook URL that I've received in my Pabbly's workflow. And here for the trigger column, it says the trigger column will be a final data column on which of the data is added. The whole of that row data will be sent to the webhook URL. So here you can see in my Google Sheet, my last data column is column D. So I'm going to add my trigger column as column D, and then I'm going to click on the submit. And here you can see it says setup configured successfully. That means we have successfully set up a webhook inside our Google Sheets, and we have successfully connected our Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now after building this connection, I'm going to test this connection by clicking on the send test button given over here. And it says test data sent successfully. That means we have successfully sent the first row data of our Google Sheets to this webhook URL. That means to our Pabbly's workflow. Alright, so now let's go and check it. But here before moving back to Pabbly's workflow, you need to perform another very important step to completely connect your Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. So for that you need to click on this extensions, and from here you need to click on this Pabbly Connect Webhooks. Now from here you need to turn on the send on event. So by turning it on, automatically whenever you're going to add a new detail in your Google Sheets, then automatically and instantly Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. Alright, so now let's go and check it, and here you can see we have received a tick in front of the send on event. That means we have successfully turned it on. Alright, so now let's move back to our Pabbly's workflow, and here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the trigger column, target audience, spreadsheet name, ID, sheet name, sheet ID, row index, learning objectives, course title, and the course level. So with this we have successfully set up a trigger over here. So once we have received all the details through our Google Sheets, then I want to give these details to OpenAI to generate a course outlines for me. So for that I need to connect my OpenAI account with Pabbly Connect in this action step given over here. So in this action step, I'm going to select my action application as OpenAI. So OpenAI is a company that develops advanced AI tools and models like ChatGPT. People use OpenAI to create content, write code, answer questions, and even generate creative ideas. So in my OpenAI action step, I'm going to select my action event as ChatGPT, so that by using this particular model, OpenAI should generate a proper course outlines for me. Alright, so now here to connect my OpenAI account with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your OpenAI account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking me to enter the API token. So following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my OpenAI account, and from here I'm going to access the API keys given in the left side bar. And now here under this API keys, you can see some existing keys over here. So I'm going to generate a new key by clicking on this create new secret key, and here I'm going to give a name to my key, that is course outline. And then I'm going to select my project as default project, and then I'm going to create the secret key. So this is the API key generated, so I'm going to copy it, moving back to Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to paste the API token. Now here after entering the API token, I'm going to click on the save. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here is asking me to select the AI model. So by clicking on this drop down menu, you can see all existing models available over here. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my AI model as GPT-4o Mini. You can select the AI model as per your need. And then here is asking me to enter the prompt. So in this prompt field, I need to enter the prompt that I want to give to AI to generate a proper course outline for me. Alright, so let me add a relevant prompt over here. Alright, so here you can see I have successfully added a relevant prompt over here where I've added some instructions for the AI and the detail as course title, target audience, course level and the learning objectives. So now here instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that when you're going to receive new response from Google Sheets, then automatically this previously existing details will be updated with the new one. So for the course title, I'm going to map the course title. Here I'm going to map the target audience. Here I'm going to map the course level. And lastly, here I'm going to map the learning objectives. And with this, we have successfully completed our prompt over here. So now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on this save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received a message content generated, where we have received the entire course outline generated by OpenAI. So with this, we have successfully set up this action step as well. So now here after generating the course outline, I want to add this course outline in my Google Docs as a new document. So for that, I'm going to add another action step over here, and here in this action step, I'm going to select my action application as Google Docs. So Google Docs is an online word processor that lets you create, edit and share documents from any device with internet access. So in my Google Docs action step, I'm going to select my action event as create a blank document, so that after generating the course outline, automatically it should create a blank document in my Google Docs account first. And now here after selecting my action event, I'm going to click on this connect, and again here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Google Docs account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account. And then here I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here is asking me to enter the document name. So in this document name field, I'm going to enter the name that I want to give to this document. So here I want the title should be similar to the document name. So I'm going to map the title from the Google Sheet. So this is the course title. And now here after entering the document name, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a blank document in our Google Docs account. So let's go and check it. And here you can see we have successfully created a new blank document over here with the name as Advanced Excel for Data Analysis. Alright, so with this, we have successfully set up this action step as well. So now here after creating a blank document, I want to add the course outline generated by OpenAI in this particular document. So for that, I'm going to add another action step over here. And again, I'm going to select my action application as Google Docs. And this time, I'm going to select my action event as append a paragraph to a document. So that after creating a blank document in my Google Docs account, automatically the course outline generated by OpenAI should be added over here in this particular document. Alright, so again to build this connection, I'm going to click on this connect, and this time to build this connection, I'm going to click on the select existing connection because I've already connected my Google Docs account with Pabbly Connect in my previous action step. Alright, so here I've selected the existing connection, and then I'm going to click on this save. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here's asking me to enter the document name. So now here instead of selecting the document from this drop down menu, I'm going to map the document ID over here. So for that, I'm going to turn on this map button, and then I'm going to remove this document ID from here. And now here, after removing the document ID, I'm going to refresh the fields, and that's a necessary step. Alright, so now here I'm going to map the document ID from the response that I've received in my previous Google Docs action step. So I'm going to search for the document ID over here. So this is the document ID, and now here after mapping the document ID, it is asking me to enter the inserted text. So in this particular field, I need to enter the text that I want to add in this Google Doc. So here I'm going to map the course outline generated by OpenAI. So this is the course outline generated. And now here, after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully added the course outline generated by OpenAI in our Google Docs. So let's go and check it. And here you can see we have successfully added the course outline generated by OpenAI in our Google Docs. So with this, we have successfully set up our entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected our trigger as Google Sheets and our action as OpenAI and Google Docs twice. So that whenever going to add a new detail in our Google Sheets, then automatically using the details, OpenAI is going to generate the course outlines. And after generating the course outlines, automatically it is going to create a blank document in our Google Docs account first. And after creating a blank document, automatically the course outline generated by OpenAI is going to be added in our document. Alright, so these were the steps to how to create course outlines from learning objectives using AI Agent. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit www.pabbly.com. Now if you liked our video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.